Asambi hame. Plea bargaining for what? Plea bargaining for what? Chairman Wontumi case back on the Exim Bank case, no. So say plea bargaining for what? I don't know the reason why I hear Yamanyo 43. Yeah, one would do bonia, one more per queen biswa, or my faswa, one won't call jail. One more per queen biswa, my father, one would call jail. So me kwa washakwa, I'm a tea, and I'm called real be a punching. Not yet the Makojina and Rano and Noir. And you must make me for plea bargaining. Namakotia a punchino, nebo. And I said, hey, my walk of 4 biscuit, my year be dream. Now my genius cabin 20,000. 20,000, Nippon Macojina some Libya. Your baby's yasab, your baby dear seminal. Then, Namakwa, I call Ratcher a year, judge ne emrenim for no say, me pe plea bargaining. Hey, what is this kind of favoritism? What is this kind of favoritism? Debbie, and I shall plea bargaining also. There are various options, a womb. Options that I say, Okucheska we are, Nipa, Yedisumono abono. In this case, a chairman to me, Yedisumona abono. Okucheska we are, Uncle jail sentence. And there is another one, so Okucheska we are. Bomo be reduce a year sentence in the cry at the amano. A sentence no and concoye custodia. Say ye didn't go to him. Vamos abanyo for no, we want for quitting crime so. The high profile cases, the high profile politicians are war ye memuha. Asem sia. Na omo de omo pekwanya, o mefa o mefa mu de pie. The plea bargaining is just like the alternative dispute resolution. Just like that. But yebasere. They should listen to us. Plea bargaining. Says Ghana, ye kwako jierinti, ye nibaji, says Ghana, ye de babeshe, Ghana futu mwana. Will this be punitive enough? And the Zaman for. I need the high profile people are one more Ghana. Or I said that dream. No more dream ni we are. You say plea bargaining. And so koye bihe. Patrick wa wotiado. Koye bihe. Ube dem. Me no ka say obi wi apon chemba ko akoko. Na ba akwa bia menim no a okotwe obi body. 7 years ye de na twirim. No bia ye bibi say am say plea bargaining. Omunja sabo for someone can. Na attorney general yebesre no. Amafo keka say sa plea bargaining yi onim hu bi ba me ya metie minim say onim hu bi. Attorney general Dominic Ayene, Deputy Attorney General Dr. Srimsai yebesre mo. Amafo keka okrom say aye plea bargaining na ya kan wasem no. Munim hu bi. But me am tell me say munim hubi. Minim say munim hubi. Now said there and she say anything no. Dr. Srimsai, Deputy Attorney General SOMPA. Omode amane no akwakodan court no. Enti no ye hwe de court no so ebeka. Ye hwe de court no ebeka. Upa ma mbie lines ni sese na mbisa say chairman Wontumi case na on Exim Bank case na yes sika bi wa falsified documents bi allegedly e de akwakọ agiska say o ko efuo bi ani ba bia receipts ni niam bi falsified allegedly sa sam we no ebe ya anka yen gisika no ana say yen fa no kotwirim Ghana for me bi samu ebe ya anka sika no said the omuka plea bargaining no yengi sikara na say ana ya ma chairman Wontumi engina mrana no me ba to tie me sese a wo adwen ye wo sen. Hello, good afternoon, lawyer KK Sebede say.
Good afternoon.
Yo, yes, so that romantic, ye nyina ye ho ye. Na yesi brofo bi the plea bargaining. Plea bargaining no brofo ye aba beto dwei. Dudu na nche da entiase plea bargaining. Na plea bargaining ya ye ka ho asem no. Because of chairman Wontumi issue with Exim Bank. And now one more plea bargaining be one some. Like I said, we am running near. Minim say what does to call a woman remono, Chiremu and Senate.
You are about to be that celebrate now. Remember when your mama was here for and what a phone now, so and then again. So you can't plea bargaining now. Yes, a string now, say, a dear subject for mine system. What did one what committee offense, criminal offense. Na yet na could not embra any. Any patrono, the embrano iron in the say, obey to me at the Gasua, Mako through the Attorney General. The only Attorney General Casana Casia Juma. Omadi Akoto court and you say, Ebo Yaya near the Asambaye. Ya got to answer the Abobo in some home. At the Yaya some Aquacosu baby. At the civil action, yes, a settlement between the parties. By the criminal section, no, and your friend plea bargaining. In the Attorney General, and then the YM from Sono, and men can stable, mechanic said, yeah, a binding food so YM from Sono, bet nothing. Now, if you say, yes, subject, the cabby, and our binding to say, put you back on someone. Umbeka, nothing, but one of the can be bad. Maybe a subscription, as I say. And can you hear me? Nay, the belly panel. The other boom, and I see a big year to cry. And see, I am ran, Ukraine, I am ready with that. Oh, say 1960 laws, the more. Now, so a year, I think 24th of around February or so, 2022. Then a parliament, a pass an act, Ankata, at the governing plea bargaining. And the Bolivia obey a criminal, a Libya obey a piano, with the exception of few offenses are, and not the act negative Wontumi plea bargaining. Okwa Enyegi. Name of my question, career, the DNA, the so what would you do and son a judgment? Nasa would you do a conform Attorney General, number the court and in the oh. Nipa did not have a when you watch your tune, say, waffle, did the kind of no. Inti ya fa ne boni nche no so fuma wa fom no ade a wo ye ya fa efom no wunie se sika na yesu se wa fa o se sika no me de ba ebre we ni bre we mu na me de ba o mu de dan court na nwie wo ha se court hwe na nsem na o mu ka no e just and fair o di tu mu anate say yo mu ku nkrata so no aye adwuma court everything I say one need to the prepare and some of can include rather some any just and fair and also it is the Bakaya Capital Bank and a guno a year a full Asian ya the liquid dam ready na a boko boba and a two Asian and so I say or back by plea bargaining Emma Jack exum edit to my thing there. Just a chamber for that no high court. For you two, Nelson Shaya, or Muya, no, at a person, and me and so. One to me and to no, or for that if you say. If you am right a war, my sanity, would you two say, Bonia Mutmakin? A class of my cat, the same name, make out some newborn, and I feel the maybe two give it time. Some a default. Mr. say, I saw Chian Camina. And now say charges are more abomino. We need be free. Make us offenses be honor act next year and not yet. O committee I want to mean call for plea bargaining.
Me but offenses men sir.
and only a murder. You charge with murder, so what you another attempted murder. And no to me and the plea bargain go home. If you don't see a rape, any defilement cases, and also not a man who can amount plead to say, young Fancho and answer for a plea bargain. Any about 2 or 3 more, and also a one, and not yet. And the amounts are fine. Amount is a plea bargain. You don't see what they are. The Camilla say, what they are the plea bargain amount.
Okay. Okay, so lawyer, plea bargaining no. Why yedi asam na abo. Yedi charge bi ato so a wogina mranim fo animu a wo ka wa asam no. Betimi aka na se wan kasa wagye atum se bone no waye.
Ma mensa de we mu na menkyem yi. Ansa na wo obeka se o apply for plea bargaining no yedi kind. Na what the ato say why you bone no. Den ta me ka se menka ye ni say and just why you bone no. Name for the act of plea bargaining no enti no wo de infum so ato said your more can no correct. Debi jabotre. Hono asa wa kan prekese kakra. Chiremu bio. Hono sa chiremu bio. Tina me kan sa me de chiremu yi. It is possible say wonim say atia no wonye ye. Nanso so ye obi be say a lawyer for be say out of the abundance of caution enunti wonim de ochina asem bi kotie edi ani ante wakemi de wan hu asem kai wan hwe akoda fiase ma me ntum sa de na maye na mempa hu chew na asem etiofa de edan kochiri de da eti ade a wo kopli back in India what jackal but different from there because it's here you know amenfa de okay ya to example chama Wontumi kopli back in not a judge na anya ntumu a ye beko so adi asem no kenka etreso wa ye boni na pa anye kie ni asem ni du neso so court na anya ntumu anase attorney general so on tiasie anase Wontumi adi na asem ko e ba de ye ya na bi plea bargain ko ye betasu mensa ye bi o ma regular ye ntimi nyina plea bargain so nka se o ko plea bargain o ka se wadi for enunchi wadi for baby I said you have it as a new view. The amount plea bargaining na abani bitu say the plea bargaining ni wa na so big sika the tuna so nko dey fiase eno ano no e bi afie 9 e di so bu akudo no bet me $100 million ah obe $100 million no ye be dia se ni na ba wiye e di fo na ko mfie 9 a obekọ beba no e bi a ohia de omuramu biuda enti there should be a means yenso so yesa that kasika na ye bese agye ni bi ana se susu se ayira no enti edeti aba say the sentence is crown e dia ye be reduce no okay ye be di say na so ozo be ko bi a 3 months di aba depending on what they are going to agree upon. That's why me and Salam here very careful say one say enter there adie ba ko wo bitum ni say me bitum say me before but after now what you know it is as far as the plea bargaining negotiations and then putting it before the court is concerned nemo the more near agree there to plea now go plead with the court say oh yes you are not guilty no it will be reinstalled and then the matter will continue.
Okay, and you know when I see no sir attorney general ka say won tiasia then they be see yeah attorney general so on tiasia then they be see
say nipa mienu e ya de frege na de kotu nanim e de de kotu nanim na wa ni anka wa to mi ama tiasia ye ba ko aka bi so
be ba chonya botre adisrede no what they call dying court na say what they dying attorney general
technically dear make us or the Kodan court. Now, who is the court? Who would know me at any general trap man? At times, crying at any general and yes, no one out of command sending. I think you have to make me up, bro. So, the assembly are yet crazy. Yen just never to come here, the Ebra, no mining yet to come. It was not also need for. But Mr. Say, yes, you can do the Barbara in your plea bargaining. It's never about open a bit in the aqua. I think you're a bit in the aqua for my accused person. Accused person is in the aqua. If you are not a court anymore. Now, what yes, when someone will say, you agree to this. Because the whole court tells the plea bargaining. Not the other party or no on par. Court in who to me, or some will say, Mupo, Munko, plea bargaining, dead. And then it's up. That plea bargaining was several aspects in so I was trying to settlement. It is still after me, Yaku with you. Some of court when him. Now, also for so. What a coffee and the theatre. Court in the pizza, Faba, Colonso, say, of a so called Luciana. There's a Faba dead, the percentage in your quarter. Court to me, certain now.
And run Dr. Shrim say, not one more can say, a plea bargaining now, Chairman Wontumi the Abano, or Moody Aquaco court. Is that supposed to mean that they've already agreed on something? And Sana one day, as some no Aquaco a court, no?
And Sana or whatever do court, they will know why your homework no every the what you are saying, and yet, I tell you now, and supper and court, your friend is in court, only accused person, no. So that is in your mouth. They say, I bet you I could do court, no. Times, Nina, what is the you bet Jessica say, obey say, you bet Jano, you better draw charges, you bet say, or much from Indiana, Yaco to court. If the court doesn't ever say, none will be done to us. It is idea, and we have said, there we it is serving the court of justice. Are they a judge and so bearing? It is a judge mission of the no. Are they a Moko said them ye and serve the court of justice for every right to book on justice. It's not because although the women who better them are yet to man. Do not echo share court. But then, you know, after any year, agree on something now. Ayana court to the Epenisa. Don't forget, sir, this is a lawsuit. It is possible a young man in America, an accused person committed offense.
Yeah.
But the head court is saying that they are technicality that everything is on the accused person.
Yeah.
And on your technicality, the firm saying who?
Okay.
As I'm not full court, you want the year.
Okay. Okay. And lawyer, no na me tie nkomodie bi wo baabi. Na nkomo no mudi ne say. Asam na nkasa no attorney general wono waja to plea bargaining no waja to ndida. Na nkomo a free attorney general aso so buy no so kire say. Omo nye hwe ntu mu. O the plea bargaining ni abade. Ba o de buy no ayade a wo mo so mo de akwakodan. Fred is saying the high court.
Technicalities may be a year to my all this I make a question, very intelligent question. I am wine and you to Freno. Would me to Fra and I cannot a court. At the end of the day, no, that is to be a better piano. After you know, yes, we can say a court. That is another if you say, and none of my judge need to me. Or no to the boku and now D2. It's like that judge is really not D2. Now they are trying to say, a court, a court, I get Attorney General and Ajatuma, a court and Ajatuma. Technicalities may be no, but in community, after Nunu, or my dim commoisi. You didn't come with them with SOMPA. you feel say, yea, as Attorney General, no. Yea, who says a conicia a bois of mine, no. And now, party is one, no, so then I put down with a mezzos a bunny say, I'm not behind me.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not moving to the court, no. No. Why would you see?
Ya beda sitting chemo with the amayang and come on ye di. We shall not be a lines no edgy a man for adventure. But as a gun afford to draw na plea bargaining no. Na a cobana saswe.
I am running, I say. And I'm running near the edge of my mind. The mirror say, and Russell and you didn't chairman to me about in a court.
Sure.
And you know, the baby a chairman, no. Like I say, there are 2 ways. What is the case?
Yeah.
4 years of Quano.
Or Banu be discount.
Now then, you pay a sick animal much that fine. It's that is how we build a society.
Oh, okay.
The better people will have issues with it.
Okay.
But we need to think through and come to a very good conclusion of it.
Call a bisu raise the issue be or say an uncertain time no. A chinketwa and chiakasie. And no way.
Oh, I'm not waiting. Oh, man, Ketwania can see you now.
Hey!
Yeah, lawyers, what you? Yeah, King. Cases be an answer want to be one. Never say, Obi, and I'm the baby.
Okay, so yeah, but is that, can we liken the plea bargaining to the alternative dispute resolution?
I wouldn't say yes, because alternative resolution is there. No, it's out of the court situation.
Okay.
But in a way, I will also agree with you because it is giving the parties the opportunity to settle the matter themselves. As I said, settlement, I'm not making a one for Yanam the better court now. Now, quite a someone who would now so, and a court not sample as one month. The Command appeal be anymore.
Appeal be anymore.
One of my court national judgment,
okay.
And a court as some FM. So, in a way, looking at it, you can say an alternate way of dispute resolution. This but in proper sense, you know, and yes, sir.
Wow.
Because with this one, the judge can say, on yes, but the alternate dispute resolution, and there have been several actions. Not a party A, the party B, or must buy, or must say, that just say. Ten year berries over now. Judge knew who quite of a cat on 10 years or my dear soon nothing.
All right.
But all the different.
My whole difference. My whole difference in about. And you know, in the case of a chairman Wontumi, sir, Asamia Womo can say plea bargaining abemuono. And no, sir, a year Juma, can the court still say, okay, plea bargaining no, yajatum, court because yajatum. Namum eye chairman Wontumi anase party A what na asem call ye no odifo a e betimi aka say on san kodem be 2-3 years nka ho
say on kodem 2-3 years in it say eba e wo bargaining nimu
okay
the judge no wa ni bargaining na ntu a wa anya ntu
okay
oditumu a wa diatu
but the judge cannot vary the bargaining.
He can answer between the two parties. The judge never won any demo. For betting you say when you win it here and yamade and serve the interest of justice. For which reason you know what back in action.
Okay.
From what the judge is saying, you can go prepare and come back.
All right, and you know, like case of I mean, that's that. Yeah, I can tell mine in case you know. So there, I am so lawyer and the appear could be. Say was withdraw as a Wontumi lawyer at the 11th hour. What is it supposed to mean? Is it a way of delaying the judgment? And I say, what is it?
Okay, I think say on non-withdrawal or withdrawal.
Okay.
I think some were filing a motion to withdraw.
Yeah.
Court needed to Monday at airbay, and a court did in fact, or withdraw, yeah, a lawyer for no, the all represented client. What do you think I say? Only know Ekam. Uncle the baby now uncle baby. Once I want cat control representing no. The person you see free man, but I court.
Okay.
They do application. I'm not judge need to go here. And someone would do so. So no one judge about.
Wow.
The judge, anyone judge now. And our client now just opposing the application now.
Oh, really?
But same way baby, I can't do no. But some who in Naswa or dinner or the age, and yes, go back to the at usually, baby, a lawyer for a dinner at the corridor services.
Yeah.
I said, yeah, one. For clients, regardless of the woman. And now, say, information out here at the Sunday and now, Abuano. You get information. Only the one available. And then it's let a commander the whole lawyer, Nino. What the woman will do my yet. The do running in Anna, the meaning won't cream. And also, no, what the backward judge, on my judge at TA. Over several for clients, you know, or not to opposition, also the member. You know, and yes, another, and you know, so that's all the every modia. Yes, you think I say I appear so.
Sir,
okay.
Sir, a lawyer and Yakubi Eka said, one year so satisfied with the procedures of the court. Any acquire Omofaswa, Womudia Semino. Obetimi, and no better in Aswa Manaka say, Asemino, on to us with you.
On your conversation to the procedure near Vienna. Maybe when I say, on your time and now, if you procedure, and everybody who says, sir, you're not paying a wahoo. And I say, I pin before who close to case. Until sir, process winner on the own part. If you are the appeal,
all right.
If the judge no any ruling, any decision, that's when you swear. You go to the upper court.
All right.
Which I don't want to comment so much because I mean,
Matthias.
That you okay to put two questions. Maybe so you'll be legal strategy.
Oh, that's fine.
It doesn't look good.
Yo, Mati, like I said, baby, you better was selling Chimo with the Amman. I'm sure why. But I said this week, you may share with you.
Sure.
Yo.